Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 8th of November. And first of all, national news. PM Modi, disruption Spain, young MPs, let's make session more productive. Heavy rainfall predicted in Chennai for 2 days, NDRF teams deployed. Jagdeep Dhankard salvo at Supreme Court striking down NGAC glaring disregard of mandate. House sovereignty. FCRA license of 6,677 NGOs cancelled in 5 years. Government. Mumbai recorded very poor air quality for third consecutive day. IOA made significant progress to take decision on final warning after December 10 elections. IOC. Officials will be held responsible for death due to open manholes. Bombay High Court warned BMC. IIT Kanpur placement 2022 770 job offers at end of day 574 international offers received. Kerala government released revised action plan on climate change. 8 scribes working in Kashmir received threat from terrorist online government. Election in democracy has own sanctity, cannot stall process Supreme Court. Won't tolerate unilateral change of LEC S. Jaishankar on China. Nirmala Sitharaman, 5 other Indians among Forbes' 100 most powerful women. From pendency of dues to air pollution, issues raised on first day in Lok Sabha. Now international news. The spirit of Ukraine is Time magazine's Person of the Year. Over 150 injured after 2 trains collide in Spain. China rejoiced as government eased COVID curbs after weeks of protest. President Zelensky met Ukrainian soldiers at front lines in Donbas, Kharkiv. India's diversity, great, will urge it to uphold religious freedom. US. UN sounds alarm on humanitarian crisis in Ukraine as Russia intensifies attack. US said Iranian military boat came within 150 yards of American warships. After declaring war on Apple, Elon Musk unilateral surrender. And now news related to business. Sensex slumped over 215 points, extending losses for the fourth straight session. Rupee rise 10 paise to 82.52 a dollar after RBI said inflation fight not over yet. RBI saw inflation falling below 6% by March 2023 to keep Arjuna's eye on prices, Governor. Digital rupee, no need to create fear, psychosis over privacy concerns, RBI Governor said. RBI's policy on expected lines indicated softening of rate hike intensity, exports. Markets Authority Logjam, RBI Governor said European regulators need to trust India's strength. BPCL ex-chairman Arun Kumar Singh appointed as ONGC chief. RBI to allow resident entities to hedge gold price risk at Financial Services Center. Worst of inflation behind us, but not room for complacency, RBI Governor. Commerce Ministry shared list of goods Russia wants to import from India. Rupee remained least disruptive, size of forex reserves comfortable, RBI Governor Shaktikant Das. RBI cuts GDP growth projection to 6.8% for financial year 23. And now sports news. IOA made significant progress to take decision on final warning after December 10 election. IOC. Novak Djokovic to begin Australian Open campaign at Adelaide International. Rohit Sharma's effort in vain as Bangladesh clinch second successive ODI series versus India at home. Belgium star Eden Hazard retired from international football. No small teams anymore, FIFA chief hailed best group stage. Weightlifter Mirabai Chanu won silver medal at World Championships. BWF World Tour Finals fighting Prannoy losses to Naraoka in opening group game. And news from Science and Technology study explains strange magnetic anomalies on moon surface. NASA Ingenuity helicopter set flight's height record on Mars. Elon Musk Neuralink faced US federal investigation, internal staff backlash over animal test. Extinctions, shrinking habitat spur revealing in cities. And that's all in news. Thank you.